What's up guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have our Vicrez rims, and this one is vzn123908. If you want to go check it out on our Vicrez website. Now, this is our Hellcat matte black wheels, and these are our wide body wheels for the Dodge Durango, fitting 2014 to 2025. Now, let's go ahead and get into the sizing. The size is 20 by 11, and then your offset is -6 degrees, and then your camber is 71.6, and then your bolt pattern is 5 by 127. And of course, these are matte black, just like a lot of our other rims. Now let's go ahead and get this open so we can show you what it looks like. Now again, guys, we ship our rims out pretty protected so that they arrive to you safely and undamaged. Starting with this cardboard insert that protects the face of the rim and the edges. And as you guys can see, it has an impression all the way around it from the rim sitting on it. Then we also have it inside of a plastic bag to keep any dust and debris off of it. Then we also have a felt cover over it to help protect the face. And these are reusable, so if you have your old rims and want to throw these on to protect them, you can. Then we have a plastic rim guard to protect the edge from any dents and dings that may occur. And last but not least, a little bit of foam. Now guys, this is one of our 6-spoke rims, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-spoke rims. And it also has our Vicrez center cap, which we have in 3 different color options. If you want to let us know at checkout which color option you would prefer for the center cap. And these are for our wide body Dodge Durango. If you want to see an install video on these, go make sure to check out our Vicrez YouTube channel. And if you want to see more unboxing videos just like this one, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified when we post another video.